In FLCD, we believe in the motto that every child is unique. So, same as it goes with the students in FLCD. Hi, I'm Dani, taking Family Life and Child Development here in UP Diliman. Come with me as I share with you what it's like to study FLCD, where we study and learn about children's development within the family context. I chose FLCD because during senior high, I become interested in child development theories, socially, cognitively, and emotionally. And all of this aligns with my advocacy for children and Filipino families. Freshmen can expect in FLCD that you will be learning about human development, child development, family dynamics, and the social context, including the social issues. So it combines the courses of psychology, sociology, and education. And then later on, you will be having practical application through activity planning, teaching the children where? In the UP Child Development Center. A common misconception about FLCD is that it only revolves around early childhood education or teaching. But in reality, we study development scientifically and examine families and children in the social, psychological, and cultural perspectives. Actually, FLCD offers a wide range of career paths. Some take education, being a preschool teacher. Some also pursue business or development work. And do you know that it could be used as a pre-law or a pre-med as you pursue law, med, psychology, sociology, and many more. The program or the course is home-based in the UP Child Development Center where students learn in a supportive environment. It's totally different because UP Diliman is the only university in the Philippines that offers this degree program. What I currently love about FLCD is its strong sense of purpose. Every subject, every activity is intentionally designed to help Filipino children and Filipino families. It equips us not just with knowledge, but with the right values and right professional skills. Each one is unique. Some are more outgoing, some are more reserved and calm. But what unites all of us is our commitment and our passion for serving Filipino families and children. Please choose our course because you genuinely want it, not because you want to enter the university. FLCD is not just an academic program. It is a program that asks for your commitment and your heart. It asks for your patience for children who are still learning. It asks for your kindness for families and children who could be struggling. And most of all, it asks for your heart for the service for Filipino families and children. If you're passionate about understanding children, supporting families, and making a meaningful impact to people's lives, then FLCD might be perfect for you. This video is in partnership with the Family Life and Child Development Circle. Once again, I am Dani, and this is Crash Course.